In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Pi to OKX wallet. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Pi browser application just like so, and then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. So make sure you go ahead and select on wallet. Then you need to go ahead and log in really quickly. Alright guys, so once you're in this page, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this option that does say pay/request. And from here, we need to go ahead and select manually add wallet address. So let's go ahead and press on that. And this basically allows us to send or request Pi from someone who is not in our contact list. So let's just go ahead and press on that like so. And now we need to go ahead and enter in the amount of Pi that we want to go ahead and actually send to the OKX wallet. So this is completely up to you. And now here's where things get really important. You'll notice that there will be an option that does say wallet address. So we need to go ahead and input our OKX wallet address right over here. So I'm going to show you guys how to find that really quickly. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the OKX application, which is right over here. So let's go ahead and do that. And then it is going to bring you to a menu that does look like this. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this option that does say receive towards the bottom like so. And then it is going to ask you to select your crypto. Now here's where things get really important. You guys need to go ahead and look up Pi just like so. And you need to make sure that Pi network is selected. So yep, this is the one right over here. It should say Pi network, and then it is going to give you a QR code and a wallet address. And this is basically your OKX Pi network wallet address. This is the address that you need to use in order to actually receive Pi onto your OKX wallet. So let's just go ahead and press on copy. We also do have a QR code that we can go ahead and scan. So this is completely up to you. But for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and copy the address right over here. So now let's just go ahead and open up the Pi browser application one more time. All right, so we are back in the Pi wallet application. So all we need to do is we need to go ahead and just paste in our wallet address like so, and then we can go ahead and add in a memo, which is completely optional. We also do have the option to save this wallet address as a contact, so it can make future transfers significantly faster. But I also want to reiterate, just make sure that the wallet address is 100% correctly, because if even one letter is, incorrect, then you will lose your crypto. But once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on send, and from there, you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.